Welcome to an exciting transformation happening right here in Gambian factories. Behind me is a mountain of literal trash, but for us, this is the new black gold. As fossil fuel prices skyrocket, our local industries are under serious threat from rising import costs, which might shut them down forever. In response, we have discovered an innovative way to power entire industries using discarded groundnut shells. We are converting this agricultural waste into high-energy fuel, saving millions. High-heat pyrolysis chambers that turn simple peanut husks into powerful syngas and biochar. This isn't just a science experiment, it's a cornerstone for a circular energy loop, providing Gambian factories with industrial independence. Imagine if the secret to carbon-neutral energy was hidden inside a peanut shell. By feeding tons of local harvest waste into massive chambers, we create a thermal engine that outshines expensive foreign oil. See how this revolutionary process not only solves a huge waste problem, but also powers the primary engine of our economy. Subscribe, like, and share. Visit www.Fortis Invicta.com to learn more about this incredible journey to energy independence.